Well, I've been to Garda and I've been to Helsinki. I've sailed on rivers and I've sailed on the sea. I've sailed in little storms and a world full of surprise. I ain't looking for nothing in anyone's eyes. Sometimes my frustration is more than I can bear. Replay is special, can't wait to get there.
Hi, my name is Derek Morrison. I'm the son of Lynn Morrison, who made many of the Finns that won the national championships in the 60s and the 70s. Nephew of Ernie Morrison, who won 3 nationals in the 50s and the 60s. And it's a very great honor for me to welcome you on behalf of the memory of these great men to the 2025 national championships. I wish you all Godspeed and great sailing.
Hope for 30 boats at Pretoria Sailing Club in September 2025. We'll start with Philip Bam, who is our Legends winner. Dudley Isaacs, our Grandmaster. The Master winner is myself. First apprentice is Yogi Devaris. And then in third place, Joe Schubert. The silver medal goes to Yogi Devaris. Dave Shulton has won the national championships.
My name is Tim Addison, and I'm the class captain of the Finns at Pretoria Sailing Club. I've been sailing Finns at our club since the late 1960s. This is the first time that we've had a national championship allocated to our club, and so it's a big deal for us. A huge welcome to everyone, and especially our visitors, and I hope we have an amazing regatta.
In the late 1940s, Finland was looking for a new boat for the Scandinavian single-handed dinghy racing championship. The result was the Finn, launched in 1949 following a design competition. The winning design came from Swedish canoe designer Rickard Sabi. Originally built in wood, later versions of the Finn would be constructed using glass fiber, improving speed, durability and performance. The Finn was adopted as an Olympic class for the 1952 Summer Olympics in Helsinki, Finland. It made its Olympic debut that year, marking the start of one of the sport's most enduring legacies. The gold medal went to Danish sailor Paul Alstrom, while South African Helmut Storch placed 16th out of 28 entries. From that point forward, the Finn featured in every Summer Olympic Games until 2020, making it the longest-serving dinghy in the Olympic regatta and one of the most iconic boats in Olympic history. Paul Alstrom went on to win the Finn event again in 1956 and 1960, setting a record that remains legendary. After the Helsinki Olympics, the Finn was introduced to South Africa by Abe Benningfield. Benningfield imported a Finn to Durban for his own use, and others soon followed his lead. The first locally built fin was produced in East London, marking the beginning of a proud South African fin tradition. In 1956, Eric Bongers from Zeekoevlei represented South Africa at the Fin Olympics, finishing 6th out of 20 entries. A strong result for the growing local fleet. The Fin's first national regatta appearance in South Africa took place in Durban Bay. An invitation was extended to Olympian Paul Alstrom, who attended and won the event.
I've been watching the build-up to the Fin Nationals at Pretoria Sailing Club for a while now. I've been on the group, and I'm really excited to see the excitement that's building before the event. So good to see so many participants. This is exactly what South African sailing stands for. Active participation. People sailing just for the fun of it, just to make it special. We wish you all the best of luck for the event.
The South African Fin Championship was awarded to the Pretoria Sailing Club for the first time in the club's 67-year history. The event took place from Thursday the 25th to Sunday the 28th of September 2025. The PSC fin class has been the largest and most active in the country for several years, and fins have been sailed at the club almost since its inauguration in 1958. The 2025 championship attracted 30 entries. A mix of 9 classic fins, 6 super classics, and a fleet of new generation carbon fiber boats. 8 sailors traveled to Pretoria from the Cape. rescue and mark laying duties were led by Leon de Rij, assisted by Kerry de Rij, Emil Kok, Giel Pieterse, Murray Coombs and other volunteers. On the water, race management was led by race officer John Samuel. He was assisted by Merle Samuel, who served as assistant race officer, recorder and timekeeper. Also assisting on the bridge at various times were Claire Richter, Amy Madams, Anton Vest, Kaylee Reynolds and Tim Addison. The weather was largely overcast with northerly winds and the occasional threat of thunderstorms, making for challenging but fair sailing conditions throughout the weekend. The protest committee was chaired remotely from the United Kingdom by my former PSC fin sailor Dave Kitchen.
I'm Chris Morton, my brother Malcolm. Would wish everyone sailing good wind and happiness and joy.
Wishing all the sailors the best of luck. May you all come first.
I'm Ian, I'm from Pretoria Sailing Club.
My name is Zach van der Walt and today was my first regatta from Pretoria Sailing Club and I enjoyed it very much.
Hi, Garth from PSC. Joined the regatta. Yeah, fantastic winds today. Good sailing.
Hi, it's Bryce Rootman here for my first Fin Nationals.
Isak van der Walt had a fantastic day at the Fin Nationals. First time competing in Nationals and first time doing a marathon of 5 hours. Very hungry now.
I'm Rian, Pretoria Sailing Club. First Nationals, having a blast.
I'm Steven. My boat's name is Fanatic. And I really enjoyed the time on the water today and the previous few days.
I'm Murray from Pretoria Sailing Club. Great day, wind was perfect, wonderful spirit on the water, and in the last race I actually did quite well. So this morning I had my rake adjusted and it made a big difference. So happy chappy.
That was a great regatta so far. 5 races or 6 races down. Weather's great, company's great.
That's Leon and Kerry. We're just doing Mark Lane this whole weekend. We've seen a lot of excitement on the water. We've seen a lot of incidents on the water.
Sailing though.
Good sailing.
Nice sailing.
Good sailing.
John Samuel, hello. Race officer for the Finn Nationals 2025. Pretty fair wins, if on the light side. Other than that, been a good regatta so far. Trust everybody's enjoyed it.
I'm Merle Samuel. I'm the timekeeper and one of the recorders on the bridge for the Finn Nationals 2025.
From Pretoria Sailing Club, and it's a fantastic regatta.
Hi guys, thanks for joining us.
Great racing, great wins, great camaraderie afterwards and before.
I'm sailing out of PSC and it's an absolute blast to be here. Thanks to the Knysna guys and the Cape Town guys for coming and enjoying it with us, and we'll see them that side next year.
Hi, I'm Darren, I'm from Pretoria Sailing Club. This is my first Finn National. 1 day left.
Salvin from Pretoria Sailing Club. This is my first regatta and I'm having a lot of fun and learning a lot.
I'm Ken Reynolds from Knysna Yacht Club, and we've had good sailing today. Hopefully we have a couple more good races tomorrow, and it's been fantastic being here.
We had some fantastic sailing. I'm Leon Ferreira, Pretoria Sailing Club. Lovely conditions, big challenge and close contesting and some wonderful sailing we've had. It's been a fantastic regatta so far.
I'm David White from PSC Sailing Club.
You Cape Town guys, always in front. When we go there and when you come here.
3 races were sailed on Thursday, 1 on Friday, 4 on Saturday and 2 on Sunday. A full schedule of 10 races. The prize giving took place shortly after the final race on Sunday.
Hi everyone, I'm David Humphrey here. Welcome from Pretoria Sailing Club to everyone who came. It's great to have everyone here, and I think we've all had fantastic racing, so well done for everyone for competing and just being here, because we've had some fantastic time.
I'm Jacques from Mazda. Great to be back at the regatta. Been an awesome weekend so far, and another day of sailing left.
Philip Bohm, Circuflay. Been very warmly welcomed by Pretoria Sailing Club and having lots of fun. And then there's the sailing. We're having that as well, run by John Samuel and his team. Difficult conditions, but we've got away 8 races, so we've got a good regatta and probably get our other 2 to finish at the 10 tomorrow. And looking forward to being there.
I'm Dudley from Mazda Yacht Club. So far enjoying the regatta. We knew it was going to be switchy and tricky. Sailed here before. But it's still a lot of fun. You have your moments up and down, but you have a lot of good times when you do get up there. And this is Gavin. I taught him to sail. He thinks he taught me things. Yeah, it's a good regatta.
We had a great PSC regatta, finished 6th overall, very tricky conditions. Yogi made it look really easy with a clean sweep, so well done Yogi, and thanks PSC for a great event.
Arnold van Warmelen, PSC, what a wonderful regatta. More than 30 fins, lekker wind, nice shifts, very tactical, lots of fun.
I'm from Pretoria Sailing Club. I do live in the Caribbean, and I have the honor of sailing here every now and again. What I love about the regatta is number one, the big numbers, the fun we're having on the water. It's challenging, and I'm enjoying every moment. I am rusty. I'm getting too old for this, although the people that are about 20 years older than me, so I've got no excuse. I'm enjoying every moment.
Paul Allardyce from Mid-regatta, Cape Town. Event's been fantastic. The organisation, great volunteers, done a fantastic job, and great event. Thank you very much to Pretoria Sailing Club.
So I'm Dave Shilton. I'm currently lying 2nd. Fantastic sailing here on the dam. Very tricky, very interesting racing. A lot of normally the back of the fleet are now right on everyone's tails, and there's just great competition. Really enjoying it. Pretoria has been amazing. We've done 8 races and just wonderful. Tomorrow another 2. We might sail this afternoon. I haven't won a race yet. Yogi's won all of them. He might get a clean sweep. We're going to give him a broom for his boat for a clean sweep if he gets it. Happy days.
I'm Yogi from Neisner, and yeah, we've had a pretty good national so far. Some tricky conditions, but it's been quite fun.
And John Aspelin came in at 29. He's also our first super legend. Congrats to Ian Brown, who's come in at 28th, in 27th place, and an apprentice. We have Zach van der Walt. Also mentioned just that he is really our next generation of Finn sailors. So we're really pleased to see some young guys out here. So congratulations to Zach. Garth Henrik, and he is in 26th place. Congrats, Garth. In 25th place, the youth of Finn sailing, but obviously classified as an apprentice. Congratulations to Bryce Ruttman. Isaac van der Walt. Congrats, Isaac. Rian Swanepoel, congrats Rian. Stephen Ruttman coming in 22nd. So, just ahead of Stephen, we have got Murray Hoffmeyer. Chris Oosthuizen, who's really been doing massive planning for this event as well. So congratulations. In 19th, we have Marius Puri. Congrats, Marius. In 18th position, he's our first classic, and we're really proud of him being a PSC sailor as well, Terence Grossman. The 16th, we have Darren Brand. In 15th, we have Selwyn Roon. PSC Saturday. So Pat Mitchell, that's you. Third place, we have Ken Reynolds. Congrats, Ken. 12th place, Leon Ferreira. Congrats. 11th place, David White. Congrats, David. In 10th place, it's the PSC Vice Commodore. Congrats, David Humphrey. 9th place, Jacques Lowe from Knysna. And in 8th place from Zeko Flair, and also the first legend, Philip Bauer. 7th place, also from Knysna, Dudley Isaacs. In 6th place, from False Bay, we have got Morgan Evans. Congratulations, Morgan. First Masters, which is Morgan Evans. In 5th place, we have Aaron van Wammelen. Congrats, Aaron. And 4th place, and also the first great grandmaster, we have Randolph Hay. In 3rd position, and also the first grandmaster, Paul Aladas. Congratulations. In 2nd place, and an apprentice too, we have David Shulton. Congratulations. And in 1st place, consistently taking first, Yogi Devaris. Congrats. Also the first apprentice, so absolutely phenomenal.
My boat is heading I don't know where. Ridgeway is special, can't wait to get there.
The 2025 championship was dominated by Yogi Devaris of Knysna Yacht Club. In his first visit to Pretoria Sailing Club, Devaris mastered the conditions, winning all 10 races, a flawless performance. In doing so, he outsailed several former national and provincial champions.
Serves you, and simply to enjoy it is all that you can do. Sometimes I even say a little prayer. Ridgeway is special, can't wait to get there.
The runner-up was former champion David Shulton, followed by Paul Aladas in 3rd place. The 2025 South African Fin Championship marked a proud milestone for Pretoria Sailing Club. A celebration of the Fin's enduring legacy from its Olympic beginnings in Scandinavia to the vibrant and competitive fleet that thrives in South Africa waters today.